Formulas or function are just a set of instructions that we're giving the workbook to tell it to do what we want it to do. They can be either made up of math operators, cell location ranges, and keyword. There are a lot of built-in functions with Google, and you can get a comprehensive list of those in the Google Help Center. You can search by keyword to narrow it down. It gives you a list of the functions, rules that you will need to follow to use them, and a description of what it does for you. To start entering your formula, you always need to start by entering the equal sign, and then sometimes, depending on what it is you're going to do and what function you're using, Google is going to try to help you along in knowing what to enter. Right now, I would like to just tell it to copy the content of this cell into this cell. To do that, I'm going to type the name of the cell, which should be its location, which is A1, then hit enter. Just before I do that, if you notice, A1 has changed color. It's now orange. If things start changing color, that's a good sign. That means that you're getting the way the rule should be structured correct. So when I hit enter, it takes the content of the cell A1 and copy it in D1.